Hi, this is me Abira. Hello and welcome back to our English today. This is our degree first of beginner level, and in this video we are going to talk about the noun. Here is the Sindhe sir, and Sindhe sir is going to teach you the noun. Sir, can we start?
Let's start now.
Please start.
Okay. Let me introduce some basic part, that is part of the speech, because the noun is the first part of the speech. Do you know what is a part of the speech first of all? Because it is very essential to know. Whenever you want to study the English language, actually English language is a science और बहुत बड़ा शास्त्र है.
हाँ, वो सही बात है.
और वो पढ़ने के लिए you have to do each and every detailed study of the part of the speech. It is called शब्दांच्या जाती in Marathi, isn't it? Okay. So there are 8 part of the speech. Okay. Generally, you can find in syllabus also. If you want to construct a sentence, any sentence in the English language, you has to know the part of the speech. Okay. आपको मालूम करना ही पड़ेगा. So according to the syllabus, according to the rules of the grammar, the part of the speech is noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, conjunction, interjection, and then preposition and etc.
Wait sir.
Why?
ये तो सबको पता है कि noun के 8 part होते हैं. But how to memorize the 8 part of the speech?
Okay.
I want a unique concept.
Okay. Let's study. Means there are some students who are in very difficult to how to memorize this part of the speech. There are 8 parts of the speech. Okay. Now I am going to use here a very different technique that is called NLP technique that we are using in this course. Okay. Let's start. How to use? Now tell me. Part of the speech is the base of grammar. Okay.
Absolutely.
Who is the legend person, base of Indian Bollywood industry?
Indian Bollywood.
Yes.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Correct. Okay. So it is going to very different. बहुत अच्छी तरह से होने वाला है. Okay. Now I am writing here. Amitabh. Always carries ice. You know why I use the word ice here?
I don't know.
बहुत पुराने ज़माने की बात है. अभी भी the legend Amitabh Bachchan is normally regarded as some that उनको कहा जाता है he is an angry young man in Bollywood industry. Angry young man. So you have to use something opposite. And what is that angry young man? Ice. Cool down. ठंडा.
ठंडा cool.
Yes. Amitabh always carries ice near. You always surrounded with people.
Absolutely.
Fans. People playing volleyball.
Amitabh Bachchan never plays volleyball.
Wait a minute. I know that.
Okay.
Because in NLP technique we are teaching students something unique ideas. This is unique. You never plays volleyball. Now you are using volleyball. Okay? Volleyball. Now see. Amitabh always carries ice near people playing volleyball. Now you are going to extract one by one the letters. What is the first letter?
A.
Sure? A means adjective. Keep in mind. A means adjective. Second,
A.
adverb. What is that?
Okay. Adverb.
Adverb. C means conjunction. C means conjunction. I means interjection. Okay? I means interjection. Again, P means preposition. Second P means another P. P means pronoun. And last is V. V means correct verb. उसे मैनेजर कहा जाता है. इंग्लिश का टेंस का मैनेजर वर्ब. So again we will repeat. Amitabh always carries ice near people playing volleyball. A means adverb. Again, A means adjective. C means conjunction. Conjunction means though join the sentence. I means interjection. N means noun. P means preposition. Second P means pronoun. And last is verb. Like that you can memorize the part of the speech. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finish.
Very nice.
Yes.
You have
Now.
told us
Yeah.
very easy method
Yes.
how to memorize this.
Here I use the NLP technique. How to memorize the 8 part of the speech. Now you are going to study the noun. What is noun? According to dictionary, what is the definition? Noun is a word used to make person, place, animal and thing.
Wait.
Now what happened?
Wait. Everybody can teach like this.
Then
I want something new, something different.
okay. Means here you want something different in case of noun. Okay, no problem. We will introduce that also. As we spoken earlier also, we want to give something different in case of English. Now see, what I discuss here, the definition of noun. Okay, now just see this word.
PPAT.
What is that? PPAT. Now see this. P. Person. Second P. What will come? Place. A. Animal. And T means
Things.
things. Correct. Now you come to know the definition of noun. Very easy. नाम किसे कहते हैं? जिसमें पर्सन होना चाहिए, प्लेस होना चाहिए, एनिमल होना चाहिए और कोई भी चीज. इज इट करेक्ट? थिंग मीन्स चीज होनी चाहिए. ये सब का जो नाम रहता है उसके बोलते हैं नाउन इन इंग्लिश. ओके, वेरी इजी. नाउ आई हैव रिटन 4 sentences. Can you see this? Okay, 4 sentences in the whiteboard. Now you have to identify person, place, animal, thing. Shall we start? Okay, let's start now.
Absolutely. Please start it.
Okay. Sachin is reading a book. Where is a noun? Sachin is a name of person. Am I right? Sachin is a name of person. He is reading a book. किताब. किताब किसका नाम है? It is a thing. Sachin is a person name and book is a thing name. Are you getting it? Second, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Now come to, what is this Mumbai?
Please.
Correct. Mumbai is a noun. It is called place. Is the capital of, what is this? Maharashtra. Again, this is a place. Okay. Third sentence. Lion is the king of jungle. Lion. What will come?
Animal.
Name of animal. Lion. He is the king of jungle. What is that jungle? Person, place, animal or thing. It is a place. Isn't it? Last. Gold is the precious metal. Think. What is it? Gold. What is that gold? Gold is things and metal comes under the things. Are getting it? So what is PPAT? Pat. Person, place, name, things. Very easy to understand. ध्यान में रखने की बहुत आसान है. Okay? Noun, pat. PP